In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through Clipchamp to export your media. This process is straightforward and will help you ensure that your projects are saved with the best possible quality. So let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to head over to Clipchamp. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Clipchamp website URL in the search bar. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials if you haven't already. This will bring you to your workspace where all your media projects are accessible. Make sure you're on the dashboard where you can see your existing projects, or you can create a new one if that's what you're after. Once you have the project you want to export ready and displayed on your screen, it's time to move to the next step. Now locate your media. This can be video, audio, or any other file that you've been working on. When you're in the media section, look for the export option. This is typically found in an easily visible spot on the interface, and it might be labeled or represented with an icon that resembles an arrow pointing out of a box. Clicking on Export will prompt a window or menu to appear with various resolution options. Here, Clipchamp offers a range of export resolutions to choose from, all the way up to 4K. The resolution you select should depend on how you plan to use or share your media. For example, a lower resolution is often sufficient for web uploads or quick previews, while 4K is ideal if high-quality output is required for professional presentations or large displays. After choosing your desired resolution, you might want to give your file a final check before proceeding, ensuring everything looks the way you intended. Once you've confirmed everything is in place, go ahead and hit the Export button. The rendering process will start, and depending on the length and complexity of your media, it might take a few moments. You might see a progress bar indicating how much time is left, so you can get an idea of when your file will be ready. Once the export is complete, your media file will be available for download, and you might be prompted with a notification or a preview link, allowing you to see your finished product. Download it to your chosen location on your computer, making sure to save it in a folder or directory that makes it easy to find later. And that's it. Your media is now exported and ready to be shared or used as you wish. This process is quite intuitive, and Clipchamp's user-friendly interface makes it simple to produce high-quality exports effortlessly. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to share your media creations with the world. Thanks for tuning in, and happy exporting.